Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the newest Applinked version to your Firestick as well as the best codes to use inside that app. These codes are going to allow you to jailbreak your Firestick and get loads of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to correctly set up Applinked on your Firestick. First of all, you have to get an app code downloader to your device. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and here in the search bar, start typing downloader. Here, as you can see, it already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on downloader and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up the downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's do it right now. Click on that button with the gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now on the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. However, before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. And now finally let's use downloader safely. So now finally let's open the downloader application. Here it is, open it. And here on the left side menu, it's really important that you click on home and not on browser. So once again, you have to click on home right here. And in that search bar, we are going to enter a link, which is going to be applinked.store. So let's do it. So once again, it's going to be applinked. .store. Now you can see the whole link on your screen. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work for you. After that, you have to click on go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you could get even more content about Fire Sticks, and of course hit the like button below this video if you find it helpful. This way we'll be able to create even more videos for you. And then after the website opens, we have to click on that green download AppLinked button. So we click on it and now the download of AppLinked should start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install and wait until AppLinked gets installed to your device. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't really need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we saved you some free space on your Firestick. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Scroll down to the bottom and here you'll find AppLinked, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way AppLinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then we'll have to go to settings once again. Click on that button, scroll down, go to My Fire TV. Once again go to developer options, install unknown apps, and turn that option for AppLinked as well, because we'll be using it to download other applications from the internet. And now finally let's use AppLinked. Here it is, open it. And basically what you have to do here right now is click on the Add a Store button, and there we'll be entering our codes. So the first code is going to be 8970. So once again the code is 8970, then we click on Next and click on Add. Now we have saved that store to the saved stores category. We click here and click on Open. Here I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available inside that app store, but in your case of course it's not going to be blurry. But still I can describe to you what kind of apps you are going to find here. So first of all, you'll find quite a lot of movie applications. They are updated and should work on any device. There you'll find top class movies. Then also there are some alternative app stores, utility applications, IPTV apps, live TV players, TV show applications, sports apps, remote access applications, and other utility apps which might be useful for you on your Firestick. So you definitely should check out the store. I believe you'll find something useful here. And now let's quickly move forward to the second code of the day. Go back, click on Add a Store again, and the second code is going to be 19850000. So once again, it's 19850000. Then we click on Next, click on Add, and this code is going to appear right here as well. We click on it, and then click on that list of codes, and here is the code that we just added. We'll select the new code, click on Open. As previously, I had to blur out my screen, but in your case, nothing is going to be blurry. So here, first of all, you'll see a lot of live TV and sports applications. Then again, movie apps, documentary applications, live TV players, IPTV players, utility apps, alternative app stores, even some adult applications, cartoons, animations, even more players, all kinds of live TV players, file managers, and so on. So that's a really decent app stores and one of my favorite ones. And now let's go back so I could show you even more codes. So we have to click on Add a Store again. And the code is going to be 122024. So it's 122024. Click on Next, Add, go to Saved Stores, click on the list, select that app store and click on Open. Here you'll find alternative launchers, again some movie apps, live TV players, IPTV players, and TV shows applications. There are not too many apps in this app store, but they are all working, all updated, and should work fine for you. And now let me quickly show you the last code of the day. So it's going to be 786786, and again 786. So it's 786 for 3 times, so we click on Next, add the store, then go to the list and select that store. Click on Open right here, and here inside you'll find 7 apps. A couple of them are movie applications, a couple of live TV or sports apps, as well as a couple of useful utility apps for your Firestick, which might come in handy. So today you learned about the best AppLink codes. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button below so I could create even more content for you. See you next time. Bye bye.